Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be installing a key fob for my car. And let me show you why. So let's go over here to the inside. Let's lock the doors real quick. The doors are locked. So this thing, if you don't put your key into the ignition fast enough, the alarm will start going off. And I fumbled my keys a couple times, like leaving work in the parking lot, so the alarm was going off, and it's pretty embarrassing. So let me show you what happens. So we'll put the key in, and then we'll see how quick it is for this alarm to start going off. What's up, Gatsby? So I'll open the door. Yeah, it's freaking loud. We just gotta put the key into the ignition. Yeah. So that is pretty annoying. So let me show you what I got. Come back to the bench. So I went on Amazon, picked up this little key fob that worked for the Camaro. I also got this little silicone protectant to go around it to make it look a little nicer. So let's get these programmed on the car. Okay, first thing you want to do, go into the car here, go to the fuse box, take this little cover off, and we're going to be taking off this little blue pin right here. Get that out. So we got it out. Just put it to the side for now. So now we're in the car. We're going to want to turn the ignition on and off 3 times. And then, if you heard, the door is locked and unlocked. So now what we're going to have to do here. Alright, so we got our little key fob. We're going to hold the unlock and lock button until we hear the locks go off again. Alright, so you heard the locks. So now let's try this out. I'm gonna take the keys out of the car just in case it didn't work. Let's go out here. We'll lock the doors. So let's close the door, see what happened. Alright, let's try to open it. Yeah, nothing. So we'll take our key fob, unlock, and we're in. So it's gonna be a lot easier. Let's close this back up. Hit the trunk button. And it's open. So, see if the horn button does anything. Oh, it does. No. No. Alright, I guess I won't be hitting the horn button. So, we have a key fob now. Now, let's take it over to my workbench. Put this little silicone rubbery thing on it. So, we got the little key fob here. Little silicone thing. Okay, so my key fob is now connected to my keychain. Also, check out this keychain that I got. This little Camaro. That's so cool. Double check it still works. Alright. So that's going to do it for the end of this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.